This is new. I haven't been here in a while. Hi everyone, I'm Kenna or McKenna. Welcome to the channel. So it's been a while since everyone has seen my face. I tried to do Sims videos and I'm just not feeling it anymore, so I'm gonna go back to doing these real life videos with my face in it. I'm so sorry. Sorry I've been gone for a really long time. I kind of struggled with putting my face in videos because I'm a little self-conscious, so please be nice in the comments. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do today, and it's kind of funny that I just talked about like I'm struggling with self-confidence, is I'm not wearing any makeup for this beginning of the video, so please ignore my face. And also, it would mean a lot to me if you ignored my eyebrows. We're in a pandemic, right? And that means I have not been able to get my eyebrows waxed, so I have caterpillars on my face. I'm going to be doing a kind of makeup tutorial, and I want to tell everyone too, if this is the first video you see of me, which that is a probability. I am not a makeup guru. I think this is a fun video. Don't take me seriously. I didn't even say what I'm doing. I am doing a makeup tutorial for people who don't know how to do makeup because I just know enough to make myself look good. And so don't take this video seriously. If you find something in this video that I do that works for you, great. If you don't, great. If you think I'm doing everything wrong, please don't tell me. Okay, so first step is to put your hair up. I don't like how I look with my hair up. I think I look like an egg. So we're just gonna ignore that. And I hate that like low ponies and low buns are like the new thing because I look like an 80-year-old woman. So we're gonna put our hair up. Enter the makeup drawer. Obviously, before you do your makeup, make sure your face is clean. Use your favorite light cleanser. Moisturize. Hopefully it's focusing. I don't have a viewfinder. So I do use primer. I know it's kind of like some people don't believe in primer. I think it helps the makeup not get through to my actual skin and then I don't get enough acne. I have a lot of acne right now. So if you have some pimples, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Not on TikTok too much. Anyways, so I'm gonna put, apparently I'm out of primer, a lot of primer onto my face. I just use my fingies. Make sure your hands are clean and put them on my face. I put the primer all over. Make sure you kind of get under your chin, under your eyes. I always, after I do that, I go and wet my beauty blender. The egg. What I find really helpful if you use a beauty blender is to make sure you use warm water, not cold water, because I find warm water helps the foundation blend better, and make sure it's not soaking, like you just want it damp. So my foundation of choice is, I really hope it's focusing. I'm trying to do the beauty guru thing. I use the Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation from NYX. I just find it really nice. But just use whatever foundation you think is right for you, because I feel like all foundation have a different formula for different kinds of faces. I put it right on my beauty blender. Is that what I do? Yeah, I put it right on my beauty blender and just kind of put it where I want it, and then aggressively whack my face. You just want to make sure it gets all over, and it's okay if some of your imperfections aren't fully covered, because that, my guys, is concealer. And then I remember to put on my chapstick. This is contour. I didn't know this was contour concealer. Is there a difference? Let me know in the comments if there's a difference between normal. What's this? This is the old concealer I used to use. Concealer, corrector. Can someone in the comments tell me what the difference is between contour concealer and normal concealer? Because I did not know. There's different kinds of concealers. Anyways, so I use the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer by NYX. I love NYX. NYX, sponsor me. So now I'm going to use this on any of my blemishes that the foundation didn't hide enough for me. Blemishes. That one won't really be seen. My hair. And then aggressively. This is me editing, and I just want you guys to prepare yourselves for the cringiest clip you've ever seen. Like, if you're eating, put it aside because you will vomit. I'm so sorry. Dab. I know y'all are dabbing right now. Dab that concealer in. And I'm not done with the concealer, because then I'm going to conceal under my eyes. So, yeah, then go back, and it's okay if it's not like the perfect, because I find if it's like, even if it's not perfect, once I put like my powder on, it's okay. You know what, if your blemishes are coming through, it's okay. Everyone has blemishes. Then I'm gonna put, I don't know if this is right. I've seen people do triangles, I've seen people do little stripes. I just do a line under them. But when I feel like when I blend, I kind of do it in like a triangle motion. Like, I kind of bring it down to a point. And I kind of first blend with like the triangle part of my beauty blender, and then I use like the fat part thick. And then I kind of bring it out to the corner of my eye. And that's fantastic. Make sure it's all blended, and then do it to the other side. Okay, so then I use some translucent powder to bake. I don't think I bake right, but this is just what I do, and I find it very helpful. So I use the Airspin loose face powder. So it's messy. I don't vape, it's just, that's not funny. So what I do is I take make sure this is very important. Use a dry beauty blender to do this. So I will grab a little bit, not like so much, and just dab that under my eye. And this, I just feel like helps my under eye stay, and for my foundation and my concealer not to crease throughout the day under my eye. And I kind of get go near my nose, because I also find that like my nose area creases, and I find that this helps it not crease. So I don't leave it on for a certain amount of time, like not a specific amount of time, but today I'm going to show you like this very simple eye look that I do that's like very stupid. Just stupid, and it doesn't really add anything to my eyes, but I like to do it. Okay, so I take this brush that I got in my Naked 2 palette years ago, and I use this brush that I don't even know where it's from, but it's duct taped, so professional. And I'm going to use the Yes Please ColourPop palette. I'm going to just put full zip all over my eye. And I'm going to use this I'm going to use like a flat fluffy brush. I don't know the right terminology. The ones that's just kind of everywhere as like a base. I'm going to take this very light pink color. I'm going to use this very fluffy brush where it's kind of like round. And I'm going to put this right in my crease. And I was like, I've been watching some eyeshadow tutorials just so I can like learn and get better and do some different looks, especially because I have so much time on my hands right now. And what I've noticed is to blend kind of into the crease, people use kind of like a circular motion, which I appreciate. I feel like that really helped me make sure. I had an issue where like my stuff was never blended. I'm going to take Big Cocktails. It's kind of like a brighter pink, like a darker pink, and I'm going to put that. What I'm going to do, listen, this is revolutionary. So unfortunately, it's me again, and y'all really thought I was done with the cringe? Make sure you're sitting down. Is you're going to take it, and you're going to put a dab of it in your outer corner, inner corner, this. Then you're going to round motion and kind of bring it into the crease. But mostly keep it kind of here. And it's not, I mean, you can make it as like noticeable as possible, but I prefer for this look to make it look like nothing is there. It's as if I did nothing to my eyes. And honestly, you could stop here. What I'm gonna do, and again, you can stop here, is I'm gonna take this little brush, and I'm gonna take Butter Cake, which is like a copper shade, and I'm going to put it like here. I don't know what this is called, but I'm gonna put it there, just kind of like bring it all together. And that's what I do for my eyes. And then I'll just make sure everything is blended together. Sometimes I'll go and stand, oh, see? And then I notice this looks ugly. Just make sure everything's kind of blended and looking how you like. Change it if you want. But anyway, sometimes I'll go to my bathroom and make sure it looks good in that light. So that's fun. So then by now, you can notice there's like less powder and it's kind of baked into your skin, which it's supposed to be. So then I'll take this like flat brush. This is a powder, an e.l.f. powder brush. An e.l.f. powder brush. And I will sweep away the excess. And my under eyes, I feel like, are a lot brighter. And then I'm going to take a pressed powder. A finishing powder. So I use NYX No Filter finishing powder. I'm almost hitting pan. Oof. And just like finish it up, kind of make everything kind of matte, and I feel like this is like really blends everything together. So then I'm gonna do a little bit of blush. Now I've noticed the trend right now is a lot of blush. So I use this Physicians Formula blush in Soft Rose, and it's kind of multicolored. I don't remember where I got this, but I have it. And I kind of like, I feel like it's very light, and again, the trend, so I like try to get a lot. And then you want to smile to kind of find where your cheekbones are, and I don't go right, I go like on my cheekbone, but when I'm blending out, I kind of go below it. I'm not where you're contouring. I don't contour, so if you're looking for a contour tutorial, you're in the wrong place. So this I feel like just add some color to my face. It's too much, whatever. And then sometimes it's a little bit on the bridge of my nose. I don't think it shows up, but I do it. So then I use this highlighter. This is a Too Faced Love Light Prismatic Highlighter in You Light Up My Life. I got this at Marshall's for cheap. So, and that's on not spending money on makeup. So, I take this brush, and this is actually a blush brush, but I find this very nice for putting on highlight. So I take the brush, and it's very flat, so I'm able to like put some on my brush and then put it on the top of my cheekbones. And I used to go crazy with my highlight, and now I just make sure I'm a glazed donut, but like classy. Not classy, that's the wrong term, but like not dewy. So, and then you want to go up kind of, not into your brow bone, but a little bit. That even makes sense. So then, I will take an eyeshadow brush, usually my fluffy brush with duct tape. And I kind of make sure there's no extra eyeshadow on it, and then I'm going to take a little bit, and I kind of go down my nose, and then I make sure that's like blended, and then what is this called? The end of my nose? The bridge? No? I make sure that's blended. And then I put some like on my brow bone, but that does not look nice because I don't want attention to my ugly brows. Then I'll put some in my inner corner. I just kind of, I have very thick brows, so I don't really do much to my brows other than brush them, and sometimes I'll put like gel, but for the most part I don't do anything. Okay, really quick, hey, it's editing me. My camera shut off and it didn't show you the last 2 steps of my routine, which is fine. I'll just show you quickly that I use the Great Lash Mascara by Maybelline. And it's like a staple in a lot of people's makeup drawers, and I really like it. Mascara is just something you have to play around until you find a good one in your price range. And then to finish it off, I use, of course, NYX Matte Finishing Spray. This one's empty. And you'll see me spray it on my face in a second. Bye! My camera really just said, "You've been filming too long," but good job. I'm wrapping it up. So, thank you guys so much for watching, actually. Oh my god, they are so dirty. Hold on. So, I hope you guys did enjoy this makeup tutorial. This is the final look. I definitely had a lot of fun. This is kind of just what I do. I definitely don't do anything right. This is what I've gathered for my years. I'm kind of doing my own makeup, and I hope maybe you learned something. Give me some tips if you saw me doing something that's, you know, if you know something that will make my life easier. Please subscribe and let me know if you like this new kind of thing I'm doing where I have my face in the videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys hopefully soon. Cross our fingers I stick to this. Bye everyone!